Hello and welcome back to Down the Shore Homestead. It's been a very busy day. Lots of gardening, lots of baking, but I was getting ready to make some homemade tomato ketchup and I thought I would bring you along to show you how easy it is to make homemade ketchup. My husband and I are very picky about the ketchup that we eat. There's only one brand out of all of the brands that are out there that we like, and I compared the ingredients to this recipe and the brand that we like, and they're pretty much exactly the same. So stick around. It could be an epic fail. Hopefully it's a success. And as we say around here, let's go down the shore. To make homemade tomato ketchup, all you need is a half a cup of tomato paste, no salt added. You need a half a cup of water. You need 1 tablespoon and 1 teaspoon of distilled vinegar. I've already measured that out and put it in with my tomato paste, only because I have a huge jug of distilled vinegar and I don't want to make a mess. Then you need a tablespoon of maple syrup. I'm sure you could substitute that out for sugar or any other sugar alternative. You need a half a teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, and then you need a half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to do the half cup of tomato paste with no salt added, with our tablespoon and teaspoon of distilled vinegar, a half a cup of water, which is spring water, it's not tap water, and then we're going to do a tablespoon, this is organic maple syrup, raw, and then we're going to do a half teaspoon of onion powder. So that was actually garlic powder, and this is onion powder, half teaspoon, and then a half a teaspoon of salt. So the recipe actually says to put all the ingredients into a small pan on the stovetop and bring it to a simmer and continuously mix it with a whisk for 5 minutes. So the ketchup has finished simmering on the stove for 5 minutes. It basically helps all of the ingredients marinate together, and we're gonna let them marinate together even more by putting them into this mason jar and letting it sit in the fridge overnight so that all the ingredients can blend together. So let's taste it and see how it tastes. It tastes like the ketchup brand that my husband and I prefer. So there you have it, homemade tomato ketchup. Now, this didn't make a lot. I think it made about 3/4 of a cup. So if you wanted to double or triple the recipe, you can do that. I'll put the recipe in the description below. Like I showed, it was super easy to make. It tastes like the brand that my husband and I prefer. And it's a healthier option because there are no chemicals in this at all. And we use maple syrup, so there's barely any sugar in it. And you could use a sugar substitute or no sugar at all, really. That's 100% up to you. So you can mess around with this recipe a lot. You can add other ingredients if you would like. I would say this was a success. And Rocco has been patiently waiting on the couch, staring at me. So please put some hearts in the comments below to let me know that you enjoy seeing Rocco's face. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get all future videos like this. So hopefully you all like these videos and you're going to continue to follow us on our journey to becoming more self-sufficient. Rocco, show everybody that sad face. Do you want to go outside and play now? You want to go outside and play with your ball? All right, buddy, let's go outside and play.